Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you in a minute how to find privacy and policy on CapCut. So let's get started. If you use this application on your phone, this is the Android version as a regular video editor. So you have to learn about privacy and policy, how you can use this application, how this application can protect your data or projects. By tap this setting icon, try to search privacy and policy, this one. And this is the page of privacy and policy. As you can see, this is in my language, in Indonesia, my native language, in Bahasa. So it based on your country. If you see this, maybe you're from US, from UK, or another side of this world. So you have to learn this, how your data protected, how your data is provided, or how your data is kept by this application. So please learn this before use CapCut completely. It's all about your data. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click this button below. See you in the next video.